Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I did an open cup pour a little bit ago and it didn't come out quite as I wanted to, so I'm changing a few things. One is I made my paints a lot thinner. Two is someone suggested using a smaller cup, so I'm doing that. And three, into my white I have added the Decoart satin enamel. Here we go. Which can help create kind of that cloud effect with cells. Also, I don't remember, I think I used white last time, but I'm going to use black this time. So one other thing too is someone suggested putting some of the wet paint in the cup first. That's like the same color as the base. So let's go ahead and try that. Start with a little bit of black in here. And here we go. I'm kind of using my favorite color scheme here, which is like the peacock colors. So I've got white, I've got a turquoisey kind of color, and then I've got a metallic purple. So I'm also hoping the metallics will help create some cool effects. And then I've got, it's moving, I've got a bronze here. Okay, I am going to put a couple sticks under this quarter because it seems to be moving in this direction. All right, so I don't know if you can see it there, but you can already see it coming out here. I just hope that I made the paint thin enough. And the plan is definitely to use less paint this time than last time. I'm just gonna do a little bit more and then I'm gonna bring you down so you can see a bit closer. All right, I feel like that should be plenty of paint. A little more purple. And honestly, I would have gone with a white background, but I'm running low on my Floetrol, so I wasn't able to mix up more white paint. Okay, I'm going to bring you down a bit closer here. So here you can see it coming up under and causing kind of these crazy reactions. There's no silicone in here, by the way, guys, in case anyone's wondering. All right, at this point, I'm gonna let it sit and do its thing. I'm gonna take out these sticks because now it's moving the other way. This is not, I don't think this is a level surface. So I'm gonna let it sit for a while. I'll just speed up this part and then we'll come back, we'll pull it off and we'll do our tilting. All right, it doesn't seem to be moving too much more, so we're gonna just go ahead and tilt, pulling this off. And before I tilt, I'm gonna go ahead and just spread this out a bit. That will just help it flow a bit. That is so cool. I love it. Beautiful color combination. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay. So I'm going to let this sit here for a bit, and I want to see anything else that develops, you know, cell-wise and whatnot. And then we will come back in just a few minutes and do our close-up. Okay, we're back. So we've got a bunch of black cells popping up, which I'm actually not too happy with. I definitely liked it beforehand. So I'm going to see if I can run some of those off the canvas, at least in this direction. Yeah, I definitely think next time I should not use black as the base. Okay, well, there you go. That's a little bit less. That's okay. Still very cool. I am not displeased with this. It definitely worked a lot better than the last one, so I'm sure I will give this another go, or 20. Let's go ahead and do our close-up. All right, starting in the lower right-hand corner. Love these colors together, minus that black. Upper right-hand corner. Upper left-hand corner, you see some of the bronze cells popping through there. And down to the lower left-hand corner. And the entire picture again. Well, let me know what you guys think of this. I hope you enjoyed it. It's like a funky eye. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time.